भैया अभी आप क्या करेंगे, न्यूट्रल में डालेंगे गाड़ी को?
हाँ जी गाड़ी न्यूट्रल।
ओके, एक बार न्यूट्रल देखता हूँ। न्यूट्रल डाल दिया। That has not seen so much rains in the past few days or years as well, some of them. So guys, we are en route Leh right now. I'm hardly 50 kilometers from the destination, and I just have to stop to show you all this. Just look at this patch. I think those two Kratas are having a race. Right place for the right thing to do. I'm not encouraging drag races or anything, but yeah, I would love that. Where are we going? Next stop. I will see you at Leh now. Guys, I've got to show you this. I've stopped at this location here. It's right now about 40 kilometers from Leh. But the moment we go inside, I'll just switch the camera and I'll show you. It's like 58 kilometers from here. And we have these structures a lot for some reason. What I noticed was these stone creatures. It's very fascinating. So this is the Sangam point. I reached this Sangam point right now, and ये मेरे पीछे है. I think it's a pretty common point once you come here, and these are our bikers. We got a small briefing from our captain as to how long we have to go ahead, but since we've already done it once. Yes.
जो एक्चुअल पॉइंट है मैग्नेटिक हिल का वो है।
Okay.
ठीक है, पहले गवर्नमेंट वहाँ पे अलाउ करता था बाइक्स वगैरह को जाने के लिए, लेकिन बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट्स हुआ। लोग क्या करता है, जैसे कि लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करता है ना, जितना हैवी व्हीकल्स होता है उसको ये अट्रैक्ट करता है।
Okay.
ये लाइट व्हीकल को अट्रैक्ट नहीं
तो
करेगा।
होता क्या एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है? गाड़ी जाती है तब होता क्या है?
अब गियर छोड़ दोगे गाड़ी अपने आप चलेगा,
आगे जाती है।
हाँ जो होता है। लेकिन लोग क्या करते हैं, ये चीज़ें यहाँ पे ट्राई करते हैं, जैसे कि ये काम नहीं करता एक्चुअल में। ठीक है, पहले गवर्नमेंट वहाँ पे अलाउ करता था बाइक्स को।
So here at Magnetic Hill, I've convinced this Fortuner guy to do a test run again. So apparently he's putting it in neutral and he's not going to do anything. And according to Magnetic Hill's speciality, I must say, the car will move by itself. भैया अभी आप क्या करेंगे, न्यूट्रल में डालेंगे गाड़ी को?
हाँ जी गाड़ी न्यूट्रल।
ओके, एक बार न्यूट्रल देखता हूँ। न्यूट्रल डाल दिया। So it actually works. So this is our third day of the trip and it's still raining, and Ladakh has not seen so much rains in the past few days or years as well. Some of them have said that in the last 2 years they haven't seen so much rain. So should we call ourselves lucky or unlucky? That is not for us to decide. It is a little inconvenient to travel. We are traveling on bikes. So we came to the market, which is very pretty. It looks like the movie version of Chinatown, and so we made our first stop at Chef's Kitchen, and it's a pretty good place. It's rooftop and we get to see the entire city. It's amazing. I recommend it for the view. For the food, I will let you know in some time. And from here we'll be going shopping for some clothes for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Khardungla. Khardungla is as it is a very tough thing to do, and this time it's going to be raining, so we have to be prepared. I'll be wearing much more than what I planned to wear, and I'll be shopping right now in a bit. The market here is pretty it's pretty lively. Because of the rains, I don't see crowd, but from what I see, I think they have a good collection of stuff. So you can also bring back home stuff from here, and these flags, they are definitely coming with me. Cheers to Ladakh. So guys, this is day 3 of my trip. This is the first time I could actually sit and talk with you because I'm not carrying that much gear. I've come to this mini market here. It is a Bollywood version of the best Chinatown out there, and I'm sitting at a place called Chef's Kitchen. The food is very good. It's from the right origins, and I see few locations which I'm going to visit. So I don't know exactly what it is. Once I go there, I could be able to tell you better. So as per our itinerary, we'll be going to Shanti Stupa. So here in Leh, with one of my favorite influencers out there, Cruising Cravings, all the way from Dubai. How are you?
Good. How are you?
So where are we headed to now?
We are headed to Shantipura.
Shanti Stupa.
Shanti Stupa.
The locals won't be happy about this.
Sorry, Shanti Stupa. We are heading towards Shanti Stupa, which is only 10 minutes from here. And yeah.
So this is the first time we are carrying less gear than what we normally do. But tomorrow it will be a fun time.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we are headed to Khardungla.
0 degrees.
0 degrees, and
either it will be snowing or raining.
it is going to be raining for sure from what I see so far. So I think that will be a very rare event, and we are going to have a blast if we survive.
Right now,
This place is good. I just love the backdrop of this. I'll call it Chinatown for now. And when I get to know the real name, I will.
Please like, share, and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Thank you. So guys, day 4 in the north, and no, it's day 4, and we have some live performance going on, and we visited this place, the terrace. It's got a good view of the entire market. We've covered this yesterday, but still, new day, new place. That was the goal. Slight breathing issues, but we'll be trying most of the non-veg as well as veg menu, and I will also recommend you this place afterwards. तेरा साथ ना छोड़ और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, प्यार का नगमा है, शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी मुझे खुद में खोल दे तो मेरे यार हमने तो बस वो लिखा So we finally reached Shanti Stupa now. As tourists, we are going to explore this place as well. So it's got a very beautiful view of the city, and without a doubt, I can tell you, it is true. Cloudy weather. Helmet is off finally. Helmet here. But here, with the view. Plus, I'm having kind of breathing issues here. Not much, but I had to take my mask off.